Hello everybody. Today let us discuss about methods of sampling. In my previous video, we have discussed about the sampling, procedure of sampling. Now let us discuss about methods of sampling. Here there are two methods. One is non-probability, another one is probability. Let us have a glance over what is a sample. Sample is a miniature form of population. Now non-probability sampling. Here the subjects are selected based on the discretion of the researcher. It is researcher's judgment for selecting the units or subjects. Now the types of non-probability sampling. First one, judgment or purposive sample. For a study, for example, for a study, if researcher want to select 600 students, here based on his past knowledge experience, he can select the subjects for including the sample. Means the convenience and easy to get the response, cooperative and coordination. These all comes in a judgment or purposive sample selection. Second one, quota or chunk sample. Here researcher fix a quota of subjects to be included in the sample for collecting the data, so that he or she able to contact and gets cooperation from them. Third one, incidental or volunteer sample. If the subjects are conveniently available and voluntarily cooperative for giving information, it is called incidental or volunteer sample. So these are the types of non-probability sampling method. In non-probability sampling, sampling methods are convenient to the situations and selection of the sample is only informed persons who can provide the maximum comprehensive information. Now coming to what are the limitations of non-probability sampling. First one, the results obtained cannot be generalized for whole population. Second one, it leads to sampling error which cannot be determined, as it leads to the variance within the groups and between the groups. Third one, no statistical method to determine sampling error. Fourth one, sample does not represent adequate population. Hope I have given the information about non-probability sampling. In the next video, I would like to discuss about probability sampling, and I request you all be at home and protect yourself from COVID-19.